Another important topic that I wanted to talk about is Okay Kanmani. That do you sometimes think that Okay Kanmani was your biggest break?
ಮೇಬಿ ಅಲ ಮೊದಲೈಂದಿ ಅಲ ಮೊದಲೈಂದಿ
2011
ಬಂದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅದು ಅದು ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಯಾರೂ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಮ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೀ director was a lady, first time director. Nani was still, Nani is maybe did 1 or 2 films. So now ellaru newcomers adralli chikka film adu. You know, we did small budget film, yaru ella hosobru itbitu ಮಾಡಿ. But the film became a massive hit. So overnight now ellaru we all became stars overnight. So that was a huge, you know, like break for sure. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೇರ್ ವರ್ ಯುನೋ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಪಿವಿಟಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 100% ಓಕೆ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ತಿರುಚಿಟ್ರಂಬಲಂ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲೇ.
ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ? ವಿಚ್ ಹೀರೋ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ?
ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಈವನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ನನಗನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಅಮಿತ್ ಸಾದ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೀಸ್ ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀದ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅವರು ಹಿ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಅ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು between two actors. It's not a romantic chemistry, like it's a proper chemistry between two actors. Adu nanige I felt it with Amit. So I think even now me and Amit both feel that even though we have not done a film after that together, but we always feel, you and me, we've always had the best chemistry, you know. On screen alli I feel I have good chemistry with most like people I feel
actors that you
work with, like it looks good, ಏನೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಹಾ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಒನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲವ್ಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ದುಲ್ಕರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀ.
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿ 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನಾನಂತೂ ಒಂದು 100 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಉಸ್ತಾದ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 100 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಡು ಓಕೆ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಪ್. ನನಗಂತೂ ಒಂದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ತರಾನೇ ಅದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿ. ಯು ನೋ, ವೆನೆವರ್ ಐ ವಾಚ್ ಓಕೆ ಕಣ್ಮಣಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
That's so nice.
Yeah, ma'am, but you know, as an actor, I was in fact reading this somewhere and I found it to be very profound. That spoke about the complexities of success and the nobility in failure. After so many films, ma'am, after to experience it too, after so many decades, is there still complexity in success and nobility in failure with you?
What a wonderful question. Yes.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. Because it's a process, you know. When you get success, I can say that because I'm fresh off a certain thing that just happened to me, which is success. There is a process which happens within you. And it's very internal process which happens. How did this happen to me? I remember talking to my childhood friend from school. Avಳು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಟು ಹರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್, ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ನೋ ನೋ ನೋ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ somewhere we are still the people who we were, you know. ನಾನು ಪುನಃ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾಲ್ ಓದಿದ್ದು, I was one normal middle class girl, and you know, so there is a process. ನನ್ನ process, for example, recent agi when the award happened, I felt very humble. Like I felt ishtu jana, they are praying for me, they want me to win. Just imagine what a blessed blessed situation that must be that so many people want you to win.
Yeah.
You know, it's a huge blessing. So that made me feel very humble, very small, like I'm so lucky, like, you know. So yes, that is a complexity
Yeah.
in success, where there is a process. Now, if you're lucky, you'll have a positive process. Otherwise, it will become an ego driven process, which will
That's
be
dangerous.
bad. It will take you
Yeah.
into bad places. So there is complexity. And nobility in failure, I think, you know, a film succeeding or failing has never affected me at all.
What?
Like, yeah, succeeding also doesn't affect me. Like, the film does really well. Okay, okay, ashte adu bandu nanu, I don't jump up and down because I say okay, adu
Sober
it's
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
it's not just mine, you know, it's a 200 people have worked on it.
Yeah.
Okay, it has done well, great, okay, but it never, both success and failure doesn't hit my heart or my head.
How?
I don't know. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, because it doesn't go beyond one layer. Like, I know it, adu recognize ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, okay, but it doesn't impact me at all. A lot of people say it's a good thing. So,
ಮೊದ್ಲಿಂದಲೂ ಹಂಗೇನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿನಿಮಾ
ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ. In fact, more before. Now little more, maybe I get little more. I tell myself, Illa, you should become happy. Okay, celebrate. But it doesn't at all affect me. I think ಒಂದು level of detachment ನನಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಆಕ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ that much impact. So, but when there is a certain failure, again I go through a certain, sometimes I can think of one incident which hit me hard, and I
Okay.
took it as a failure. It was not the success of a
Okay.
film or failure of a film,
ಓಕೆ.
but that time also I had a process. That process also was very spiritual process that, you know, taught me a lot of things. So yeah.
Lovely.